Open the image in Photoshop. Select Crop tool and set crop width 3.5 cm and height 4.5 cm and crop the image. Now select Pen tool. In Pen tool option select Path and draw the path. After drawing the path, press Ctrl plus Enter for path selection. Select Rectangular Marquee tool, go to the selection and right-click and add feather. Press Ctrl plus J to make a copy of selected portion of the image. Click on Create a new layer icon. See, a new layer is created. To fill color in the new layer, click on Background Color. Set the color and press Ctrl plus Delete button. Now drag layer 1 above the layer 2. Press and hold Ctrl button and select the layers. Right-click and merge the layers. Right-click on the layer, choose Blending option, select Stroke and set Stored Position inside. Your passport size photo is created. To print this, go to the File tab and click on New. In Preset Settings, select International Paper and set paper size A4. In Passport Photo layer, go to Select tab and click All. Press Ctrl plus C to copy passport photo layer. Go to the blank page layer and press Ctrl+V to paste the passport size photo. Adjust the photo size. Now press Alt button and drag the image to make copies of the passport size photos. Press Ctrl and select the passport photo layers. Right-click and merge the layers. Now press Alt button and drag down the images to make copies of the grouped photos. Save the image as Photoshop PDF format and print it.